The Missouri Department of Insurance, Financial Institutions, and Professional Registration celebrated its 145th anniversary this March. Since its inception in 1869, the department has strived to protect consumers, regulate industry to ensure a fair marketplace in the state of Missouri. The roots of the department can be traced to 35 years after Missouri became a state with the regulation of banks in 1856. These early banks had vast powers. Consequently, the Missouri legislature created a bank commission to regulate these banks at this time. In the next 150 years, numerous divisions were created to regulate everything from barbers to bail bonds agents to boxers. For much of that century and a half, those divisions were scattered throughout various state departments. In 1974, the Omnibus State Recognitions Act was passed. This Consolidation Act placed divisions that regulated Missouri's financial and insurance industries under the newly created Department of Consumer Affairs Regulation and Licensing. This included insurance companies, banks, and credit unions. At this time, the Division of Professional Registration was created and placed under the department's umbrella. This division oversaw many of the state's professional licensing boards. Today, the division regulates about 250 professions and more than 440,000 individuals and companies. Senator Claire McCaskill's father, William Y. McCaskill, served as superintendent of the department from 1969 to 1972. This is the equivalent of Director John M. Huff's position today as director of the department. In 1984, the department was renamed the Department of Economic Development, and in 1991, insurance regulations split off to become the standalone department it is today. At the time the Department of Insurance was created, so was the Division of Consumer Affairs, which was charged with protecting Missourians. And following its original mission to consumers, the Division of Consumer Affairs returned more than $16.1 million in 2013. A new law in 2008 removed the divisions of finance, credit unions, and professional registration from the Department of Economic Development. They were merged to create the Department of Insurance, Financial Institutions, and Professional Registration. Today, the department regulates 1,955 insurance companies, 7,351 financial institutions, 118 credit unions, and regulates more than 440,000 individuals and companies. For more information about the department, visit DIFP.mo.gov.